today. Dr. Bilal Sir, welcome once again to the session. And along with him, we also have one of our business experts, Mafikul Islam. He is also
trying to connect me.
Can you hear me? Yes. Brother Mafikul Islam is also having a vast experience in the Bangladesh export business. So he should also be able to add value to our discussion today. And so now we can sufficiently start. We have more people joining today. But anyway, we can have a start with the session. And with this introduction, I welcome Dr. Mohammed Bilal Hussain, technical expert, BAPA Foodpro International Exhibition Organizing Committee, on behalf of Rifah Chamber of Commerce and International Business Committee team. Over to Dr. Bilal Hussain. Welcome, sir.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody, to invite me about the discussion sessions regarding BAPA, Bangladesh Agro Processing Association's Food Expo 2022 in Bangladesh. Being the responsible technical expert, I am just working with the organizing committee of BAPA Foodpro Expo 2022, giving my knowledge in respect of different food commodities like drinking water to beverage and soft drinks or fruit drinks, or here product vegetable products, food-based products, or bakery products, or confectionery and other products. Every commodities are now covering in Bangladesh, especially about more than 400 members under our BAPA. We are giving support for export the product from Bangladesh to about 160 commodities in the global networks. And our turnover, I will have to show as per our statistical data, which is already governed by our government. Now we are working in Bangladesh with the help of our government, Ministry of Commerce, APB, Ministry of Commerce and Ministry of Industries. Both of these industries already giving our BAPA technical and government support for increasing the trends of business in our domestic and also our foreign areas. Based on that, different expert from different companies already we are just accumulated and take the decision every year here. So I think I will try my best to say the given points from your side and also a few messages from our BAPA. No problem at all.
Okay.
These are.
I think that will be a good presentation. And to all those who are attending, सभी जो हमारे वेबिनार में आज शामिल है, उनके साथ हमारे आज का एक्सपर्ट वो इंग्लिश में आप उनका प्रेजेंटेशन देंगे, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ हमारे रिफा चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स के इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस कमेटी के एक्सपर्ट है जो माफिकुल इस्लाम साहब, वो उनके साथ साथ हमारे साथ इंटरेक्शन कर लेंगे. वो थोड़ा उर्दू में रहेंगे, तो जो भी लोग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट अटेंड कर रहे हैं उनको इंग्लिश के साथ साथ उर्दू में भी ये डिस्कशन हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए सबके इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. और अभी आप shall we start with the presentation, sir?
Yes, sure.
Okay. Are you able to share the screen?
Yes, I'm sharing my presentation slide now. This
Okay,
is it visible?
noted.
Okay, okay. Now,
Yes, it started. Yes, yes.
now this is the titles already been, which already I have discussed with you what types of title will have to govern or presented today with the discussions with you. The title of this presentation's name is opportunities for exhibitors. Exhibitors. Okay. Exhibitors and visitors in 8th BAPA Foodpro International Expo of Bangladesh. You know, I am the professors of university, especially conducting the chair as the Dean of Food Engineering Department of Dapolis International University. And I am just appointed as the technical expert of Bangladesh Agro Processing Association. That's why of all the technical industrial persons and the association who are now working with the food production or food business, they're already taking help for technical solutions from my sides. And I'm just, as per commitment with our BAPA, I'm just giving my support and trying my best from my sides and other sides. So basically, I would like to say about the BAPA aim in Bangladesh, basically in the field of agro based food products, what we there, I think BAPA is doing here. You know, BAPA means Bangladesh Agro Food Processing Association. And now the purpose, I think the aims of Expo every year is to create a bridge in between local and international market and to introduce international technology and products at the fair premises. Basically, in the premises, already the invited partners from different country, different company, and outsides, and in our Bangladesh, both we are combinedly arranging our expo activities, our expo related activities here, and where different types of product and different type of new idea share, and also machineries and the supply raw materials, packing materials, everything's already physically, not virtually, physically they are exhibiting a few company, and based on that our local buyers and also invited some buyers agreed upon their choices, and they try their best to collect the machineries, good machineries and good sources of raw materials, and also to accumulate, try their best to accumulate the business in our own sources in local area and also out areas, that is foreign areas. So it is a robust platform basically for the organizations who are involved in the sectors to exhibit their products and service to the Bangladeshi market for expand their business. Basically, 80% already 80% products and machineries and the suppliers and participants try to convince the Bangladeshi local producers and our consumers with their products and with their technologies in innovation hubs. And based on that, our local investors or entrepreneurs try to get the economic and good product sources through the machines and also packing materials or raw materials or technology, considering everything for the finished product from A to Z. So these are the basic aims of our BAPA Food Expo, which already started, you know, this year it is 8th. Before 7 years back, we will have to go 2013. 2013 have the first, and later on until before COVID-19, 2019 was the 7th, and after 3 years now we have started again 8th conference to create the gap of our new products, which already been create a new dimensions due to cause of the COVID for the food taste, food soils, and so many new products already been now available in the market from the global sources to meet up our immunizational factors. So based on that, I think in this Food Expo, some special types of machineries and product and idea and technology will have to be exhibited for our local peoples to process the new dimensional product to satisfy our consumers. So that's why this is a good platform, I can say. And currently, what BAPA BAPA consists of 416 members, that is the 416 members, that is those who are producing different types of food products using modern machineries in their own industries as for unit operations, and they doing very good business in our local area, and also they export some product to others country for the satisfaction of the exported members standards, guidelines, and their standards satisfaction through from our country's own sources, who are exporting about 160 nations worldwide with an export value of about now it is 700 million US dollar, because when we have started, I think 2019 it was 370, and now it is about double fold due to cause of COVID-19. Bangladesh having a good role, and we process different types of very good types of product using our own local sources, raw materials, especially our fruits and vegetables based different finished products in the frozen form, and also our in the frozen form products already been exported from our country to others country instead of import ones. Our incoming 8th BAPA Foodpro International Expo 2002 is Bangladeshi only show on food products, food processing, packaging products, and machineries. I think I am just giving the clear information for you that under this Expo 2022, we are trying our best to exhibit different types of food products with new dimensions, and how it may possible to use to show the processing guide lines using different types of categorically machineries, unit operations forms. Maybe is it possible to show the product processings, product packagings, and also finished product testing purposes, because you know food safety is the now very important issues to ensure the quality, and not for in our country, also the foreign country. And most of these benefits from the export and import Food Safety Authority of Bangladesh government trying to synchronize the alliance among of all the food product commodities from the global aspects. And machineries also have the main factors, because without a good machine, we cannot process the good product as per demand. And with that, once the processing and machineries, we need the packaging systems, and as well as raw materials, because all the raw materials are not available in Bangladesh. We also, you know, about 95% product we already raw materials, ingredients imported from foreign countries, and only a few percentage of finished ingredients already available in our country. At present, we are trying in the frozen product for vegetables and fruits from our own sources. That's why it's seasonal, you know, that very well, like mango, guava, tomato, and other seasonal fruits. And our government at present, through the WTO, trying their best to introduce a new concept, dehydrated fruits and vegetables in our consumers' levels. And also, I think if we satisfy the exact quality, machineries, processings, and taste like other country, we may have export from our country to others country, because now our position of this type of cultivation is very good in Bangladesh. It will attract all stakeholders from the retail and wholesale food, beverage service sectors, generating new connections and a new business for everyone involved who are now getting the opportunities for making business in Bangladesh. Okay. Now, on summarizations from my deliberation, I can say the business target. Basically, in our 2022 BAPA Expo, we'll have to consider the food processing line, food packaging line, and food ingredients. That is raw material sourcing, packaging material sourcing, and modern processing sourcing, considering the food finished product. So to satisfy these three production area, we'll have to need the unit operation through the machineries, maybe import sources, because our country is having no good facilities for manufacturing the unit operational activities. So we depend on the foreign sources like dairy technology. Dairy technology is not only the liquid milk processing, but in this present lachi, labang is the important product to our consumers considering the COVID-19, because the prebiotic, probiotic factors already been very common to our consumers, and also butter, and also some special types of cheeses, or already we are now habituated. That's why only liquid milk is not the traditional factors, considering different types of special value-added product like cheeses, lachi, labang, cetugoude, and also stirred yogurts. Everything's may be considered at present, and we have only a few technology for the production, very teeny amount of sometimes butter, only butter, not cheese, very good quality cheese are not yet to year processing in our country. And I think our people would like to get the cheese as ready to ready source of the protein instead of others protein. Second, in bakery is the important tools, Pran. Pran is a good, biggest company in Bangladesh. They already have started all times branded bakery products in 4 areas of Bangladesh, and they cover snacks every day morning for the people's through the good distribution systems and production systems. So bakery is the now not only because the traditional bakery are not available in our country due to government embargo, and only modern bakery plant and those who are maintaining the hygiene practices, they can only possible to process the bakery products as snacks form or others. And so bakery is the new target for of all the peoples to get the ready snacks. Secondly, beverage is not only soft drinks, but at present different types of fruit juice based beverage product, and also energy based beverage product, also tea based beverage product, coffee based beverage products. It's maybe cold or hot. Everything's now considering instead of previous practices like carbonated soft drinks. At present, some drinks without alcohol, without carbon dioxide are creating new market, new dimension among our consumers. Next, flour. Flour as ingredient, not only for biscuit or other product or bakery product. We are just start the frozen food like the paratha, ready use of shingala, and also ready to use roti, chapati, everything's noodles are now very good, ready to eat snacks item using the flour instead of bakery products. And later on the feed, some feed means not for us also. Secondary metabolites are used for producing feeds for our animal kingdoms like aquaculture or our maybe in our cattle farming and sheep and also goat and also poultry. And besides that, at present, our government has co-opted the new rules for the grain processing technology, especially auto rice mill, in Bangladesh, to save the outcome as compared to the input. Government already creating the special focus for processing of auto rice mill instead of existing ones. And that's why government already giving the facilities from the Ministry of Food to process the ready to eat parboiled or semi-boiled or boiled rices. And to satisfy that one's modern equipment, including parallel technology. I think technology means dairy, processing machineries, bakery, beverage related products, not only finished product, also the packaging machineries. Maybe it's raw materials to finished packaging concept will have to be considered here through using machineries. And as raw materials, flour, feed, and grain processing technology, including ready to sell the flour or feed or grains, having the machineries considering other packaging materials will have to be considered here. So modern equipment to be the master to satisfy our dairy, bakery, beverage, flour, feed, and grain types of products. Later on, for the satisfaction of the or the investor and also our consumers will have to just ensure the quality. For that, we need the heavy equipments for maintaining the exact quality, not only for the hazardous compound species available in our product, but also our other compositional factors like only for not only carbohydrate, protein, fat, and ash or minerals and water, but also we would like to get some phytonutrient or some added value of vitamins and minerals which are not toxic, but it will have to create some special effect in our immunization systems. For analytical systems, laboratory systems is the must at present now, because our food safety authority is very strict to give the facilities of all the consumers with their own concepted for satisfaction of the product, and also consumers in our own areas and out so areas for export. For that, we need the data processing, controlling, monitoring, and at present, the global considers already COVID-19, given the fourth artificial concept for IR. At present, the new dimensions for controlling of all the food sectors from farm to tables. And that means I'm telling that the raw materials to finished product, and considering the data which are available with the dimensional forms, and utilities resource is the another important factors, because the electricity cost, the fuel cost like diesel and others is very high. So based on that, it may possible to add in our production systems for giving very economic utilities for making the comfortable product with a very low cost production systems here. And productive storage technology means here, at present we have to think about the finished product who is having the low moisture content, but at present we are producing different types of frozen product, and we need to process our seasonal different types of vegetables and fruits for ready to use with our other products. So special types of storage technology are at present questions to increasing the productivity of our agriculture sectors for long time satisfactions as raw materials and finished product for local consumption and for also export. You see here. I think as these already been I have prepared based on summarization form of our BAPA related activities in Bangladesh for 2022 Expo, and now I'd like to just prepare some questions answer which already given from a side. Now, first one is that how Bangladesh becoming a potential market, especially for food and machinery sectors. Yes, food sector, the global area, food is the important factors. And Bangladesh also a picture already which already developed and forecasted by our government, and statistically already I am just showing some figure from our Bureau statistics in the agriculture goods and relevant processed foods which are now this year 2021 to 22 to it is $1.16 million worth of the foreign exchange. It is 13.042% is higher than the than 2019 because this COVID-19 period already we have a good scope for developed our marketing through our own consumption and thereby countries giving the supports and special arrangement already been we have absorbed from some countries like Middle East to export our own products, halal products. So Export Promotion Bureau, EPB, data already show this figure, and the food processing subsectors have potential in the domestic and export markets. And according to EPB data, in the last fiscal year 2021, agriculture goods and the relevant process already I am showing you that it is more than 13.04% from our last year, and agro products like the product which already covers the edible vegetables and certain root and tuber types of product, it was 99.9 million, and coffee and tea, meat and spices, it is 49.54 million, and some spices like ginger, saffron, turmeric, curcuma, and curry and other spices, it is 39.66 million, and sugar confectionery, maybe different types of pita and cakes, it is 26.93 millions, and malt extract. I mean, in Bangladesh, it is called the jigari, or liquid jigari means gur. It is malt extract, and food preparations of the flour. We already have developed different types of frozen food and ready to snacks, and its figure was 67.23 million. And the fruit juices like mango drinks, mango juices, and goba, and other some special type of artificial drinks, everything's covers with some vegetables juice like beet root and carrot and some others available in our country. It is 58.20 million, performed well on the export market last year. This is the picture already been we have found from our EPV against 2021 to 22 is still even the last month, the running month. And it also plans to reach, we are trying to reach 2 billion export earning benchmark by 2030, based on its diversified range of the products, different types of product taste and modern concept. We'll have to create the new product dimensions and new market area. I think considering Bangladesh market is growing market, and it is potential 5 times higher than others years data available in our Expo indicator as indicator. And now I would like to say Expo achievement till 8th event, which already you have asked through your question, from 2010, I think 2013, maybe before that, very teeny levels Expo already been have arranged locally, and from 2013 enormously widely we have started. So from the first beginning 2001, 2002 to 2022, within these 12 years, we contribute in food sectors to expansion from 10 to 25%. And the percentage is growing in every edition than the last one. Every year, new product already been coming through our Expo, and our entrepreneurs already been willingly, they are introducing this type of product here, especially confectionery products like soft candy, gummy candy, and glossy hard candy, some cocoa products like Cadbury bar, which are very common. Cocoa chocolate, one of the mini chocolate, but at present no mini chocolate, like different types of bars, cocoa bar chocolates are available, not only coated item, but also very bar form is again available in our market to satisfy our local peoples. Also, we are trying to export from our country. And these are the new dimensions through the BAPA Expo. The enterprises already earned the knowledge and different types of very low-costed machineries. That's why we can say candy already given the new dimensions in our local peoples. Basically, who are the potential visitors? We'll have to visit this Expo. BAPA, Bangladesh Agriculture Processing Association show. This is a B2B trade show. This is the business is a B2B business. That's why trade visit is very much focused. Trade business visits means here the traders who are just who will have to show their products. Products means their machineries and their technology and their finished product and their outcome in input and output ratio, and also the raw material source, machinery source, and its effective benefits, and the choice for the consumer's level as compared to the others. Everything should have to be especially focused in our BAPA Expo 2022. We bring here for the developed our business from the government policy, making partners like BIDA, EPB, and NBR, BSTI, Bangladesh Food Safety Authority, and also World Trade Organizations cell under Ministry of Commerce and Ministry of Industries. These are the important, and also our metropolitan members, or also our different business associations, everybody will have to be associated with our expo for giving the support. How our producer or our entrepreneurs will have to be the members to create their new dimensional activities from the foreign sources to import their machineries or sourcing their raw materials and process the product locally for the satisfaction of our local market and also export markets. We also invite the technical personnel from the process food, not only government. I already technical person from the local food industrialist like Pran Company, Squares Company, CI Company, Globe Company, and also Masapi, and also Nourish Food Products, like so many biggest, and also Aki's. They are the biggest entrepreneurs in Bangladesh, especially in the food sectors. Also considering the bakery, dairy, drinking products like soft drinks or tea or coffee or halal drinks or energy drinks, everything may be considered here, especially with the machineries, technology, and packaging systems. And I can say the opportunities for the exhibitors and then visitors in this expo. What? How? The food sector is growing day by day. You know that very well. Especially COVID-19, to give the example, without food not possible to survive in the globe, in the world. That's why to this pandemic situation already giving the new knowledge to our people to take the very good food, which will have to be just give the immunization, give the scope to save our soul from the diseases like COVID viruses. So processed food demand is now higher in our country because all types of safety measures are already occurring here, especially in metro city. Day by day, the demand is increasing. In terms of the demand creating in future, frozen food comes first. Second one is dairy sector, and third one is instant ready foods. Instant ready foods and ready to eat foods. And not only that types of food, the food will have to record of all the ingredients, machineries, technology, and also packaging systems. And last of all, the storage, and last of all, the transportation systems. Everything should have to be covered for these three types of product. Now, in terms of the ingredients, the spice market has the biggest opportunity here. Then comes packaging. Already I'm telling that the new technology, new packaging system will have to be considered for a specific new product. And due to cause of the edible oil, we would like to have introduced the mustard seed oil extraction, cold extraction process. And also that the rice, fortified rice, vitamin enriched rice is the another factors our government already given the scopes to produce. That's machineries have to be here, the extrusion technology based factors, especially this type of modern machineries will consider here with the packaging for fill up the demands of our government and our local consumers. And through the expo, both the exhibitors and the visitors get to meet with each other. Each other means the local buyer, local consumers, and local entrepreneurs will come here, and they will have to meet with the exhibitors will have to come with their products, finished product. Sometimes they will have to come with their technology, machineries, and packaging system, ingredient sources. Everything will have to be one-to-one B2B system. They will have to, before B2B business, they will have to start one-to-one discussion, exchange their views, and I think they will have to earn the technological knowledge, and the sharing knowledge will have to be give the new scope to create the new dimension for investment and new entrepreneurs. Now, number of countries you already been tell me to show in this slide. Still now, it is since the beginning or till now, we get 20+ countries like Australia, Austria, and Bangladesh, some peoples, and Belgium, China, France, Germany, India, Italy, Japan, Netherlands, New Zealand, Singapore, Slovenia, Switzerland, Turkey, and USA. In this year, more than 18 countries are participating, including local representatives, those who are previously working in our country with different types of food commodities, and they are principals. I think the local agent will have to invite their principals, both together will have to play here with their products and their technology to create the new dimensional aspects among the participants here. The benefits what? Bangladesh economy is a steady growing economy, you know. We are just now increasing our new dimensional factors in the economic growth to increasing our knowledge and other things. This way, exhibitors can explore the Bangladesh market and visitors get to know about the latest technology and established business relations that they are looking for under the same roof. I think in the same place, the exhibitors will have to be show their technology, machineries, finished product, raw material, outsourcing, and their sharing of knowledge in our local area and others area. Everything's together we have to be give the good compound to play the good beneficial effect to both of the parties from this BAPA Expo 2022 from our sources. These are my presentations for you. I think so. Some slides already been I have I have shown you from my sharing, and I think now the question, if you ask me any question, I will try my best to satisfy you through my knowledge. Little bit try my best from this organizers' sides in Bangladesh.
Thank
you my presentation to give me time.
Wonderful and very.
You can now ask me any question. I will try my best to satisfy the audience, the participants from my sources.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much for that wonderful and very detailed presentation. And it's really a good time and very useful information we could gather from that presentation. And we can definitely take questions regarding the topic. And also, what I would request is we have our own Rifah's International Business Committee member, Brother Mafikul. He has very vast experience even doing business with Bangladesh. So we had a good detailing from Dr. Bilal Hussain from Bangladesh, and now we have one more speaker who has experience in doing business with Bangladesh. So I think we can listen to Brother Mafikul Islam, and we can also have a combined question. Okay, is that good with you, sir? Okay, now I request, I welcome Brother.
जी इरफान साहब आपका आवाज नहीं आया है।
आवाज नहीं है क्या?
जी अभी बोलिए।
ठीक है। तो मैं ये सोच रहा था कि अभी बिलाल हुसैन साहब ने जो प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है उसके बाद अभी आपका डिटेलिंग रहेगा, उसके बाद हम कंबाइंड क्वेश्चंस भी ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि काफी सारा डाउट्स जो पूछने वाला है आपके प्रेजेंटेशन के द्वारा भी वो थोड़ा कवर होने का चांसेस है। तो आई वेलकम। तो आपके तरफ से जो प्रेजेंटेशन है वो शुरू कर सकते हैं डिटेलिंग।
जी हम लोग डिटेल्स बिलाल साहब के पास जो सुना है वो तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह उन्होंने अच्छा एक प्रेजेंटेशन दिया है। हम लोग कुछ बात और रख सकते हैं जी इसमें। अगर ये बापा एग्जीबिशन में हम लोग पार्टिसिपेंट और विजिटर्स तौर पे अगर स्टॉल लेना और विजिट करने के लिए जाना है तो इसमें हमारा क्या क्या फायदा हो सकता है। हम लोग बांग्लादेश के इतना टारगेट क्यों ले सकते हैं, एक क्वेश्चनेबल ये है। जैसे देखिए बांग्लादेश साउथ एशिया का एक कंट्री है जिसमें बहुत बड़ा तादाद से बहुत छोटा जगह में बहुत बड़ा तादाद में एक ये लोगों ने उधर ये करता है। जैसे वो पॉपुलेशन बहुत बड़ा तादाद से है, तो उसमें जो एग्रीकल्चर जो लैंड है बांग्लादेश का, वो इंडिया से बहुत ही कम है। जैसे एग्रीकल्चर लैंड पर हेड उनका 14 डेसिबल के आसपास है, जैसे इंडिया में उसका 40 डेसिबल के आसपास है। तो ये एक बड़ा फर्क होने की वजह से उनका जो फूड का जो जैसे हम लोग सुना है बार बार, वो प्रोफेसर साहब के बातों में आ रहा था, जो रॉ मटेरियल्स का इंपोर्ट बहुत ही जरूरी होता है उनका। ये फूड प्रोसेस में ऐसा बहुत सारा रॉ मटेरियल्स है जो इंडिया के ऊपर वो निर्भरशीलता है उनका, और इंडिया से बहुत ही बड़ा तादाद से बहुत सारा फूड का रॉ मटेरियल्स उधर जाता है। और बांग्लादेश एक डेवलपिंग कंट्री है, जो हम एशिया में जितना कंट्री के साथ हमारा ट्रेड पार्टनरशिप है, उसमें एक बहुत बड़ा ये बांग्लादेश के साथ भी है। बांग्लादेश पूरा दुनिया से जितना भी इंपोर्ट करता है, उससे 12 से 15% इंडिया से इंपोर्ट होता है। तो एक बहुत बड़ा ये है। बांग्लादेश के साथ इंडिया का और एक ट्रेड फैसिलिटी ये है, जो बहुत ही शॉर्ट टाइम में प्रोडक्ट अपने वो इंपोर्टर के पास पहुंच जाता है। मान लीजिए एक कोई चीज़ अगर वो यूरोप से अगर इंपोर्ट करते हैं, तो उसके लिए उस कम से कम 2 महीने के आसपास उसका टाइम देना पड़ता है। लेकिन वही चीज़ अगर इंडिया से इंपोर्ट करते हैं, तो कोई मशीनरीज हो या फूड का रॉ मटेरियल्स हो, जो भी हो, तो वो 10 से 15 दिन में वो इंपोर्टर उनका हाथ में लेके आ पाता है। तो इसीलिए बांग्लादेश का जितना इंपोर्टर है, जिसका रॉ मटेरियल्स का जरूरत है या मशीनरीज का जरूरत है या हर चीज में, अगर ऑप्शन के तौर पे अगर इंडिया में कुछ मिल जाता है उसका, तो वो इंडिया से ट्रेड करने में बहुत ही वो पसंद करता है। इसीलिए ये दोनों देश के अंदर ट्रेड का एक बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, जो बांग्लादेश और इंडिया के साथ हर साल 80 से 90 हजार करोड़ रुपए का बिजनेस हो रहा है। इसमें बहुत बड़ा तादाद से फिर ये एग्रो फूड और एग्रो प्रोसेसिंग का जितना रॉ मटेरियल्स है और मशीनरीज है, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा परसेंटेज है। तो ये जो बापा का जो एक्सपो हो रहा है, ये हम लोगों के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, जो इसमें अगर हम लोग हिस्सा लेंगे तो एक बहुत बड़ा डोर ओपन हो सकते हैं हम लोगों को एक्सपोर्टर के लिए, जो वो उधर विजिट करने के बाद या हिस्सा लेने के बाद ही हम लोगों को वो पता चलेगा। उसका अंदाजा ये प्रोफेसर साहब का प्रेजेंटेशन में आप लोगों को शायद कुछ ये आया होगा इंशाल्लाह। साथ साथ ये बापा एक्सपो में जो लोग हम लोग विजिटर के तौर पे हिस्सा लेंगे या स्टॉल लेंगे, जो भी हो, उसके साथ बांग्लादेश में उस रिलेटेड, मान लीजिए किसी का ये ग्राइंडर मशीन है, तो वो अगर हिस्सा लेंगे, तो वो हिस्सा लेने से पहले पहले ये बापा का जो ऑर्गेनाइजर्स है, वो लोग जितना लोगों को ये ग्राइंडर मशीन का, जितना फूड प्रोसेसर का ये ग्राइंडर मशीन का जरूरत होता है, सबको वो इन्फॉर्म करेगा। जो इंडिया से एक कंपनी आ रहा है, इसका प्रोफाइल ऐसा है, आप लोग 18 से 20 तारीख नवंबर के अंदर आइए और इनके साथ मिलिए। तो ये सिर्फ 3 दिन का एग्जीबिशन ही नहीं है, आपका भी एक बहुत बड़ा ये हो जाएगा। साथ साथ आपका भी ऑर्गेनाइजर की तरफ से ये भी मिलेगा, जो बांग्लादेश में इतना फूड प्रोसेसर्स है जिसका ये ग्राइंडर मशीन का जरूरत होता है। अच्छा, रॉ मटेरियल्स का भी, जैसे आप किसी को अगर फूड केमिकल का एक्सपोर्टर है इंडिया में, या हम ये वेबिनार के अंदर अगर कोई है, तो आपके पास ये अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाएगा। जो आपका कोई केमिकल है जिसपे मान लीजिए वो ड्रिंक में जाता है, तो या जो भी हो, कोई स्वीटनर हो सकते हैं, जो भी हो, तो उस ऑर्गेनाइजर क्या करेगा, जो जितना बांग्लादेश में ड्रिंक प्रोसेसर्स कंपनी है, सबको आपके बारे में वो इंफॉर्मेशन देंगे आपके साथ मिलने के लिए। साथ साथ बांग्लादेश में जितना आपका केमिकल रिलेटेड जितना प्रोसेस फूड प्रोसेसिंग कंपनी है, सबके आपको वो लिंक अप करा देंगे। ऐसे बहुत सारा अपॉर्चुनिटी ये बापा फूड एक्सपो में अगर हिस्सा लेंगे तो ये मिलेगा। मैं मिसाल के तौर पे ये खत्म करने जा रहा हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ डाटा आप लोगों को सामने रखेंगे, जैसे रॉ मटेरियल्स का जरूरत के हिसाब से आपका कुछ आइडिया लेने के लिए। जैसे ये फूड प्रोसेस में नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर में हम लोग बता सकते हैं जी। अगर कोई ये उतना रिलेटेड नहीं है, अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आए तो हम बता सकते हैं इंशाल्लाह। इरफान साहब।
Yes.
जी।
So shall we move to the question answer Q&A?
अभी ये हाँ, हम लोग आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं इंशाल्लाह।
ठीक है, तो डिस्कशन क्वेश्चंस लेंगे क्या, हम सवाल लेंगे?
हाँ
सर, कैन यू हियर मी? ओके, राइट, यस, आई जस्ट वांट टू गिव अ ब्रीफ। तो जो भी हमारे भाई लोग और जो अटेंड कर रहे हैं, उनके इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए बापा का फूड एंड इंटरनेशनल फूड एग्जीबिशन नवंबर 18 to 20 ओके तारीख पे बांग्लादेश में ढाका में हो रहा है। तो वो एग्जीबिशन के बारे में, बापा के जो सर्विसेज है उसके बारे में हम सुन रहे थे। we had a presentation from Dr. Bilal Hussain, who is a technical expert to BAPA, and also we had a detailed presentation from Mafikul Islam, who is the committee member, Rifah Chamber of Commerce International Business Committee. जो भी जो attendees है उनसे हम questions पूछ सकते हैं. They can unmute and start asking questions. सबको खुद का अनम्यूट करने का ऑप्शन दे दीजिए होस्ट सलाम सर।
ओके
यू कैन अनम्यूट। रिफा चेंबर ऑफ
ऑप्शन दे दिया है। जिनका भी क्वेश्चन हो ना वो अपना हैंड रेस करें और फिर सवाल करें।
अच्छा, ओके, ऑटोमेशन। आप इंट्रोडक्शन, आपका नाम और बिजनेस का इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए, उसके बाद आप सवाल पूछिए। नदीम साहब, मोहम्मद नदीम साहब पूछिए आप।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम।
सर, हमारा स्वीट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट है, सोन पापड़ी बनाते, चिक्की बर्फी बनाते हम लोग। क्या हम लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं बांग्लादेश के एक्सपो में?
थैंक यू फॉर इट। कैन आई
नदीम साहब?
यस सर।
इरफान साहब आप इंटरप्रेट कर दीजिए।
Question is, they are sweet manufacturers.
Yes, thank you, Muhammad Nadim bhai, for a good question to me. At present in Bangladesh, maximum manufacturers already been traditionally processed different types of sweet meat. in our country, like laddu, rasagulla, jalebi, cham cham, and so many different types of traditional sweetmeat. I think this is the important time to introduce modern machineries, automatic machineries for processing of rasagulla, rasamalai, or chom chom, or boti, or laddu, because now our population, consumers number is higher. Our food safety authority creating special pressure, because maximum traditional sweetmeat manufacturers not maintaining the exact rules and regulation. Though that is why the enforcement members are creating penalty to them. So it will be better if you come with some special types of sweet meat processing machineries in our exhibition. I think it will be new dimensions, new idea. A few people are already trying to add automatic sweet meat processing line. I think you can just new
समय साहब बाकी का म्यूट कर लीजिए, बड़ा डिस्टर्बेंस हो रहा है। जो नए बाकी का म्यूट कर लीजिए ताकि हुसैन साहब थोड़ा शांति से बात कर सकते हैं। एक सेकंड, बाकी सबका म्यूट कर लीजिए, सिर्फ बिलाल साहब प्लीज अनम्यूट एंड स्पीक।
Yes. Already I am
Yes.
I special honored to Muhammad Nadim Bhai to bring his new auto sweet meat processing machineries in our expo. That will create a new dimension, because we have no available technology and machineries in our country for processing different automated sweet meat, because its demand is very high in our consumers level locally, and also our peoples who are now serving in foreign country, they already interested to get automated processed preserved sweet meat. And I think if this type of technology machineries are available in our Expo 2022, our new entrepreneurs will have to be create a new attraction for investment under these sectors. So it will be very effective on the coming Food Expo. Most welcome with your new technology for sweet meat processing lines. At present,
Thank you.
at present, our COVID-19 teach our young generation not to use the candy, hard-boiled candy. They are interested to get the special types of hygienic sweet meat for immunization, to getting the good strength. That's why I think instead of that, auto sweet meat machineries and technology will be create a new dimension. Inshallah, we'll have to see that was.
ओके, ये रियलमी जो है उनको मैंने अनम्यूट करने का ऑप्शन दिया है। आप अपना अनम्यूट कीजिए, नाम बताइए और क्वेश्चन पूछिए।
और जो हैंड रेज किया था उनको हम प्रायोरिटी देंगे। शायद तौसीफ नंदुलिया वो हैंड रेज किया था। तौसीफ भाई।
हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, this is Tariq from HNT Food Products.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please go ahead with your question.
Yeah, we are processor and packagers of the dates and dry fruits imported, and we also deal in onions and tamarind at local basis in India. So, do we have any scope for in Bangladesh for onion, tamarind, or which kind of spices you import the most in Bangladesh? Do you import the tamarind and all those things? What are the most demanded things in Bangladesh from India?
आप कहाँ से बोल रहे हैं?
I'm from Ahmednagar, महाराष्ट्र। मैं महाराष्ट्र से बात कर रहा हूँ, अहमदनगर।
ऑनियन का बहुत बड़ा ऑप्शन है बांग्लादेश में। बांग्लादेश का ईयरली 20 लाख टन के आसपास ऑनियन जो लगता है, उसमें 7 से 8 लाख टन इंडिया से जाता है।
Okay.
तो बहुत बड़ा तादाद से ऑनियन का एक कारोबार इंडिया के साथ बांग्लादेश का चल रहा है। इसके साथ ये कैसे आप क्या करेंगे, इसके लिए आप बांग्लादेश विजिट कीजिए, इंशाल्लाह आपको ऑप्शन मिलेगा। आप टारगेट के हिसाब से आप देखिए।
Okay, inshallah. And about the spices,
हाँ, रेड चिली और टर्मरिक बहुत बड़ा तादाद से जाता है। रेड चिली अप्रोक्सीमेटिक को 2000 से 2500 टन पर ईयर जाता है। ये सब उन लोगों को यूजेबल नहीं है, वो ये बहुत सारा इंपोर्ट करके वो फिर स्पाइसेस बना के वो पैकेजिंग होके वो फिर एक्सपोर्ट होता है। तो रेड चिली का भी बहुत बड़ा ऑप्शन है। ये आप उधर जाएंगे तो बहुत बड़ा ये हो जाएगा, ऑप्शन आपको मिल सकता है रेड चिली का। अगर आपको टारगेट है तो ये एक्सपो में इंशाल्लाह आपको ये सब मिलेगा।
inshallah, inshallah. Okay, Jazakallah.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Faisal Khan. Faisal Khan.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, my name is Faisal Khan. I am
Yes.
from India, from Uttar Pradesh, Aligarh.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Sir, I want to export the meat from India, and I have my family business of chemicals. Yes, sir. So, sir, please let me know that what can I do for the better option. And I want to start the meat export, and my family business is of chemicals like sulfuric acid and nitric acid, all these, and we deliver chemicals to the processing food companies also, like Heinz
अच्छा।
ketchup. Heinz use our chemical.
वो जो आर्टिफिशियल
Okay.
स्वीटनर है
So
सब।
shall we keep this?
Hello.
हाँ
Yes, sir. I am audible.
हाँ हाँ, उसमें आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनर भी है क्या आपका?
Yes, you are audible. I think
Sir, I am audible to you.
Yes,
It's
yes.
audible, audible,
you are
audible.
audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sweet.
Sir, the voice is breaking. Just give me a 1 minute. I am changing the place. Yes, sir. Now it is audible.
आपका वॉइस तो बराबर है।
आपका ये फूड प्रोसेसिंग केमिकल में आर्टिफिशियल स्वीटनर भी है?
Sir, artificial sweetener we will arrange at the best price.
जी, तो आपको ये बापा आपको काम में आएगा इंशाल्लाह ये विजिट। बहुत
Yes,
सारा
sir,
आप
yes.
फूड प्रोसेसिंग कंपनी के साथ विजिट कर सकते हैं। जी
Yes,
सर,
sir,
बताइए।
Yeah, Dr. Bilal Saab was answering his question.
Okay. So,
Okay.
Dr. Bilal.
Okay, thank you very much for the question. Already he had two questions. One is he is interested to make the business in the meat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Meat export.
Yes. At present, four biggest party already import different types of meat like buffalo and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
cattle meat from India, and
Yes, sir.
and they are selling in Bangladesh a few percent,
Yes, sir.
and they already 50% they already export from Bangladesh to others country, but they import for our purpose, and after satisfied our consumers level, maximum 50% already they export others country with the name of Bangladesh. So that's
Yes,
why
sir. Yes,
have
sir.
to-
And yes, sir. And I have, sir, I have learned the whole processing of meat for 1.5 years, and now I can tell you even the names of everything of the buffalo with the rates.
Okay,
I have done good
you have-
research work in this.
you have the good market in Bangladesh. When you have to be
Thank you.
available, I think biggest importer will have to meet with you, and they are a big giant party. they will have to contact with you for if you give the good quality meat, you will have to get the scope, I think, because you have the scope here. And second one is that artificial sweetener. Yes, artificial sweetener in Food Safety Authority already allowed only, aspartame, stevia, and also sodium cyclamate maybe is going to stop very short time. So aspartame and stevia and aspartame is the now important market segments for the manufacturers who are producing different types of fruit drinks, fruit juices in Bangladesh. I think after arrival, you will have to bring your samples, your literature, and our consumers and the industrial manufacturers will have to contact with you. If you satisfy the good price, good quality, maybe you have the good scope for supply the artificial sweetener in Bangladesh. No problem at all, because we have huge consumption in our country, especially aspartame and stevia. Okay.
Brother Tandil, you can ask your question now.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम मोहतरम, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि मैं एक्चुअली मेरे एक पार्टनरशिप में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी है मेडिसिन का प्लान, जिसमें फूड आइटम भी बनता है, ड्रग्स वगैरह भी बनता है, तो उसके लिए बांग्लादेश में क्या स्कोप हो सकता है फूड आइटम में?
फूड आइटम में
लाइक
क्या?
सॉफ्ट जेल है, और उसके बाद प्रोटीन पाउडर है.
If it is halal, if you show the halal certificate, yes, if you show
halal certificate, WHO certificate and halal certificate both.
Okay, if you show the halal certificate, then the protein supplement having the good demands to our young generation at present. So you have the good scope. And in the meantime, a few people's already been trying their best to produce the functional food using different types of food supplements like amino acid or proteins or some vitamin premix. Yes, you have the scope here because without vitamin premix, they are not producing energy drinks. I think carbonated soft drinks, special types, which is known to us energy drinks. Royal Tiger energy drinks, Speed energy drinks, our own brand in Bangladesh. So you just come with your product. I think it will create a new dimension for you because maximum food supplements come from Thailand and also US. You can try with halal certificate.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay. So I will reach them Bangladesh. मतलब क्या source होगा Bangladesh reach करने का मतलब?
Bangladesh, because Bangladesh so many company already working to import different food supplement for the sports, and some sports area is now increasing in Bangladesh. About in the teenage level, 5% young population already been practice in the gym and they practice with the food supplement. I think you can just get scope instead of US based or Thailand based supplement which are now available in our market. So you can come with your product here, no problem.
Yeah, brother Habib, you can ask your question.
Alaikum. Dr. Bilal, how about this market, like frozen foods, like this chicken items and this pizza and all this frozen?
Thank you. At present,
that is 100% halal because our cousin who was doing in this in business.
Thank you for your question. At present, the COVID-19 give the scopes to depend on frozen food, and our country's maximum biggest entrepreneurs started frozen food unit here, and the frozen foods already covers different burger, meat roll,
for sandwiches and all this, cutlet and all.
Cutlet and all. So you can try with a halal certificate in our country. I think if you satisfy with the your product quality and maybe our biggest entrepreneurs who are now playing in the market, if your product satisfied our people with the good taste, maybe possible to create the new dimension because our people know at present habituated with frozen food. nearby India, it will have to give the good score because you are near our country.
Okay. And because our also native is in the very close to
Yeah, that's
Bangladesh.
right.
So
Yes,
there
that's
is
right.
even potatoes and all this onion and all is exporting Bangladesh. This
Every day.
Malda Murshidabad border through
Yeah,
this.
every day we are getting kachamoris, the green chili and onion and other brinjal, okra, every day morning from India. That's no problem. Okay, you can just supply.
Great. Thank you.
Okay, I think.
At present,
Thank you so much for all that wonderful questions and also the answers, and also Dr. Bilal Hussain and Mafiqul Islam. I think all questions are over.
Yes, yes. Now we can come towards our concluding session.
So I request Afzal Beg Saib, our General Secretary, Rifah, he himself. Some problem. I request Afzal Beg Saib, who is an Secretary of Commerce, to give his concluding note this session and upcoming event. Over to Afzal Beg. सलाउद्दीन भाई, अफसल सब का नेटवर्क में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है?
Yes, yes.
म्यूट है?
Now he can do. He can start.
Afzal Beg Saib, please unmute. Oh, Beg Saib.
इरफान साहब, वो अफसल भाई अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहे अपने आप को। आप कंक्लूड कर दीजिए। हेलो हेलो माफिकुल साहब आप कंक्लूड कर दीजिए अगर इरफान भाई का कुछ टेक्निकल इशू है तो।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम लोग अभी इस प्रोग्राम को आज कंक्लूडिंग करेंगे। इसमें हम 2-3 बात आप लोगों को सामने हम रखना चाह रहे हूँ।
अफजल बेग साहब लॉग इन हो गए शायद अभी सक्सेसफुली। अफजल बेग साहब
जी जज़ाकल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरी आवाज आ रही है? Am I audible now?
यस यस
हाँ हाँ
Okay, there was a technical glitch. I was unable to unmute myself due to some technical reason. Anyway, now thanks for your patience. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Bilal for the very excellent presentation. And you have given our participants in India, the businessmen, a brief about the Bangla Expo. As all the members know that Rifah, the objective of Rifah Chamber of Commerce is to give the businessmen an international exposure. You know, we have taken the businessmen to China and we are planning to Dubai. And now Bangladesh is a very growing economy and there is a big trade, as Dr. Bilal presented, that between India and Bangladesh. As you all know, that the BAPA Expo that we are discussing now is a very good opportunity for us to showcase our products इन बांग्लादेश। जो उर्दू वाले हैं, हिंदी जानने वालों के लिए मैं बता दूं, ये बहुत बड़ा मौका है, अच्छा मौका है। मेरे खुद के अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वहाँ पर करीब बांग्लादेश में अराउंड 15 प्लांट चल रहे हैं। मैं मशीन बनाता हूँ। पिछले साल ही मेरे 2 इंस्टॉलेशन हुए हैं, चिटागोंग में, एक मसूद एग्रो में और फिर ढाका में है। तो मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया था, मैं जाते रहता हूँ और काफ़ी अच्छी इंक्वायरीज आती हैं, कनेक्टिविटी होती है। तो मेरी दरख्वास्त सबसे है, सारे ऑडियंस से, जितने पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं, कि अगर वो एक अच्छा एक्सपोर्ट ऑप्शन देखना चाहते हैं तो बांग्लादेश को बहुत खर्चे वाला आइटम नहीं, करीबी है। वीज़ा प्रोसेसिंग आसान है, जाना आसान है, हमारे लैंग्वेज का बहुत मामूली इशू है और रिफा के नेटवर्क के जरिए आपको अच्छा खासा नेटवर्क मिल जाएगा। तो बहरहाल इस सबका शुक्रिया इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, और डॉक्टर बिलाल का भी थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग वेरी गुड इंसाइट अबाउट बांग्लादेश, द टाइप्स ऑफ बिजनेस एंड एक्सपो दैट यू आर गिविंग। बाकी ऑडियंस से भी मेरी दरखास्त है कि आफ्टर ये वेबिनार के बाद आपके कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर्स हमारे पास आए हैं, तो आप कांटेक्ट करके कैसे उसको जाना है, उसके कमर्शियल्स क्या हैं, हम लोग इंशाल्लाह आपको ब्रीफ कर देंगे। जज़ाकल्लाह सबके लिए, एंड आल्सो द ऑडियंस एंड आवर गेस्ट डॉक्टर बिलाल फॉर द प्रेजेंटेशन। जज़ाकल्लाह, थैंक यू।
Thank you very much.
ठीक है, तो
Hope
हम लोग
we'll have to
मीटिंग
see.
एंड कर दें। जी ये डॉक्टर बिलाल साहब was saying something. Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much for your nice pricing about today's deliberation, both of our business sectors. We hope we'll have to India, Bangladesh, we'll have to make the good relation in the case of our halal food commodities, because you know we are already expecting very good quality and new dimensional food products at present in the nearby country. Hope every day, every morning, we'll have to enjoy our commodities in new dimensions. Thank you very much. In our
let's hope for this initiative that Rifah has taken, जो रिफा की कोशिश है कि यहाँ से हम देखते हैं कितने लोगों को हम वहाँ शामिल करवा सकते हैं। We are trying.
One message for you, sir. One message for you there. Padda Bridge. Padda Bridge is the new dimensions for you all, because your product will come from Delhi to all India to Pachim Bongo to our Padda Bridge to Dhaka to Chittagong, directly come through the lines, no problem at all. That's why hope for the best with the very economic way and low cost, low price. You will have to send up you all the products from your site to in Bangladesh. Very shortly, very quickly. It will take more than 70% time will be covered due to cause of our Padma bridge. So thank you very much to come in Bangladesh and to visit our Padma bridge, and you will have to hope the new scope, how can you will have to reach your processed product quickly, frozen product very quickly in our country with the shortest time. So this is the new dimensions for brotherhood business in Bangladesh. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you
So,
so much. Thank you, Bilal.
Thank you very much. So now ending this session, right?
Thank you.
okay. So thank you, everyone. So with this, we can conclude our session. We'll be in touch with you, all the members. Also, we will be in touch. You be in contact with Rifah, our office bearer, Salahuddin Saab, and so how can we actually arrange for your visit? And also, we would be in touch with Dr. Bilal and his team, inshallah, Bangladesh. And we require your support also. When our people, our business will come to Bangladesh, we would request support from BAPA and also from the organizers.
Sure.
Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So with this, we can conclude our session. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nice meeting. Thank you. Good